Blue and Mira enjoy getting shrimp for the very first time. Little Christmas treat, some cooked shrimp. I don't normally give them shrimp, but as you can tell, they're really enjoying it. Blue and Mira are a mated pair of mangrove monitors, and they are really enjoying each other's company. They have become really good buddies, and it's nice to see that Blue has calmed down so much since Mira arrived. Mira was a monitor that I adopted from Snake Discovery during their adopt-a-thon a little while ago. I think one of their first adopt-a-thons. So it's nice to see her settle in and really enjoy Blue's company. There you go, Blue and Mira, my mangrove monitors.